Managing Director for Sparc Systems Limited, Dr. Wesley Piri and Mrs. Piri, President of the ICT Association of Malawi, Mr. Clarence Gama, CEO Standard Bank, CEO NBS Bank, see Daisy from MCCI, all CEOs, business captains present this morning, Sparc Systems teams, both local and international. We see those from Zambia, those from Rwanda, all the contractors that worked on this project, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to join the ICT President of Malawi in expressing gratitude and excitement at being part of this momentous occasion where we are opening the state-of-the-art high-tech building named Sparc Complex. Indeed, as we heard from the presentations, but also those that we saw on the televised documentary, we cannot really afford missing a photo opportunity in front of this building. You don't have izino matokalanka ufiti koma umayepeza befiti ukhetsa timisonzi tikhale tonamizira so khalizira khalusizu ukondweretsa kwenikweni koma tenganiko chithunzi mukhoza kachifufuta mukatuluka panjapo koma take a moment to take a picture, a selfie with the building in the background. I'm going to do that myself because this can also be an inspiration when you go home and say, even if mine is going to be a single story one, but we are inspired by what Sparc has done. It's not just a structure of bricks and mortar, but also the ushering of a new era of innovation, creativity, and technological advancement. Today, we witness the realization of a vision, one that embodies our collective aspirations for a future where technology is at the forefront of progress. This building is more than just an office space. It is a hub of ideas, a center of excellence, and a beacon of hope for what we can achieve when we harness the power of technology. In an ever-evolving world, technology serves as the engine that drives progress and the catalyst that fuels our ambitions. It empowers us to break down barriers, bridge distances, and open up new horizons. The work that will be undertaken within these walls will not only shape the future of our industries, but also touch the lives of countless individuals, driving economic growth and fostering sustainable development. As we stand at the intersection of technology and innovation, it is important to acknowledge the profound impact this facility will have on our society. The advanced technologies and services developed here will enhance our productivity, improve our infrastructure, and foster a more connected and efficient world. This complex is a testament to our commitment to excellence and our belief in the transformative power of technology. This high-tech office building holds particular significance for our youth, the leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs of our tomorrow. By providing them with access to cutting-edge technologies and a nurturing environment, we empower them to dream big, think critically, and push the boundaries of what is possible. This facility will serve as a hub for education, training, and skill development, equipping our young minds with the tools they need to excel in the digital age. The establishment of this building is also a tremendous boost for businesses. It will provide them with the resources and infrastructure needed to innovate, collaborate, and grow. By housing a diverse array of technology-driven companies, this facility will become a melting pot of ideas and solutions, driving competitiveness and economic vitality. Businesses will benefit from enhanced efficiency, improved connectivity, and access to advanced technological tools that will enable them to scale new heights. I would like to extend a call to action for other enterprises to follow suit. Let this high-tech building serve as an inspiration for all businesses to invest in technological advancements and create environments that nurture innovation. By doing so, we collectively drive our economy forward, fostering a culture of progress and resilience. Each new investment in technology not only uplifts individual businesses, but also strengthens the entire ecosystem, creating a ripple effect of growth and opportunity. Furthermore, I assure you of government commitment to continue creating an enabling environment that allows technology and innovation to thrive. This includes investing in infrastructure, ensuring existence of robust policy and regulatory frameworks that support technological advancements and encourage research and development. By fostering a conducive environment for technology-driven growth, the government can play a pivotal role in accelerating our journey towards a prosperous future. We've heard, and it's evident, that the construction itself, plus the existence of this building and all the operations that will be taking place here, has and will continue offering job opportunities for our young people. And that is in line with the aspirations of President Lazarus Chakwera of creating jobs for our young people. So we clap hands for you, Mr. Dr. Wesley Piri, for helping us in creating jobs for our young people. We give it to you, Mr. Piri. The complaints or the issues or the concerns that you've raised have been noted. You seize an opportunity to do it right here. No, you're home. But we've heard you. Those concerns are valid. You've not only registered them on behalf of Sparc because this project is done, but then there are others who are also embarking or just thinking of embarking on similar projects. The interventions that we are proposing from government to apply on this project can benefit others that are also coming up with similar ideas. And in the process of being cushioned on one part by government, definitely there will be benefits on the part of government as well, in the sense that whatever cushion comes on one end can provide opportunities for more young people on the other side. So the concerns have been noted. The significance of this day and this event cannot be overemphasized. I am proud to be part of this journey where we are unveiling this magnificent complex that has been set up by one of us, an indigenous Malawian. Let us all learn from this noble gesture of loving our motherland and making sacrifices for our country and our future generations. Allow me, therefore, to extend my deepest gratitude to the visionary Dr. Wesley Piri, the developers, and all those who have contributed to making this dream a reality. Your hard work, dedication, and belief in the power of technology have laid the foundation for a future filled with promise and potential. As we embark on this exciting journey, let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with optimism and determination. Let us commit to fostering innovation, driving economic growth, and creating a more inclusive and equitable society. Together, we can harness the power of technology to build a better world for ourselves and our future generations. I thank you all for your kind attention, and congratulations once again to Sparc Systems on this remarkable achievement. May this new office building be a beacon of progress and a testament to the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Congratulations once again. God bless you. God bless Malawi. Thank you.